Testing. Hi there, guys. My name is RohanBeve, and today we are going to be talking about engineering tolerances. Today we are going to be talking about what are engineering tolerances. Okay, so when engineers, okay, are designing things that have to connect with other things, right? The variety in each part, well, sometimes the variation in each part can be different. Basically, what this basically means is nothing is made the exact same every time. Okay, so that's the reason why engineers have to create a bit of wiggle room so that way it can work. The mentioning of that wiggle room is what tolerance is. Okay? Now, there are many types of tolerances. Okay? But today we'll be looking at the most common types of tolerances. Before that, we have to get one thing straight, and that is specified dimension. What that is basically the dimension of a part, the specific dimension of that specific part. So for example, a object has like 30 dimension. It basically shows how long, thick, stuff like that is. That's what specified dimension is. Now we got that straight. Now let's look at the various types of tolerances. The first type of tolerance is called a limit dimension. Okay, so what a limit dimension is, it basically shows the max or the minimum dimension, or the max or minimum tolerance that can be still there in an engineering guideline. Okay, in a guideline. So as it shows the maximum and the minimum amount of tolerance. In order to get the tolerance, by that you just have to minus the two digits and we get the tolerance. Okay? The next type of tolerance is bilateral tolerance. Okay? So what this tolerance is basically this specific type of tolerance has a unique symbol which shows a plus over a minus. Okay? Now what this means is the varices will be equal amounts above or below the specific dimension. Okay? That's basically what that is. In order to find the tolerance for this, all you have to do is double the tolerance number itself to get this specified number to get the tolerance. Now that's bilateral tolerance. We're going to look at unilateral tolerance. Okay? What this basically is the specified dimension which is used in a plus or in a minus, and the tolerance can be given to an amount of above or under that number. Okay, so basically the specified dimension, okay, is used in a maximum or in a minimum, and the tolerance can be, well, given an amount above or under that number. So this basically shows how much the tolerance can go and the minimum. So how to find the tolerance with this type of tolerance is to find the line that does not have which has a non-zero number in it. Okay, that's basically what engineering tolerances are, and that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video and hope to see you next time. Bye bye.